for one simple reason. They assume the market behaves the same in every condition. RSI doesn't know when volatility expands, when participation dries up, or when momentum shifts from controlled to aggressive. It keeps printing the same levels even when the environment has completely changed. That's why here at Boss Waves, we created Adaptive RSI. Instead of asking, is RSI high or low? This indicator asks a better question. What does strong momentum actually look like right now? By learning from its own historical behavior, Adaptive RSI recalibrates thresholds, trend states, and strength in real time, so momentum is measured relative to the current market, not an outdated template. So let's have a look at a live chart and break down exactly how this works. So as you can see here at the beginning, we have our adaptive momentum zones, these bands above and below our oscillator. These upper and lower zones replace fixed RSI levels and continuously adjust based on recent momentum behavior. As the oscillator pushes towards these zones and begins to stabilize nearby, momentum is reaching levels that have historically mattered for this specific market. We have our regime, color, and trend state. So the oscillator and the candles, as we can see here on the chart and the oscillator pane, these change color relative to the current momentum regime. When we have a blue, it indicates bullish momentum. When we have red, it indicates bearish momentum. Sustained color shows momentum direction. We also have our strength bands. So as you can see in our upper and lower zones, we have our shaded upper and lower bands, and this indicates the strength of the current momentum. So when we have darker shading, like this area here, this indicates strong, high participation moves. When we have lighter shading, for example down here, you can see weakening or low participation momentum. This helps to identify if a move is backed by real participation or losing steam. We also have our bullish and bearish divergences. The indicator automatically detects regular divergences between price and the oscillator. And we can see these here, both on the oscillator pane and also plotted on our price action. So when we have bearish divergence, where price is making higher highs and the oscillator is making lower highs, you'll see that we have our red lines plotted above here and also over here. These signals show early shifts in momentum that price alone doesn't reveal, giving context for potential reversals or rotations. As always, with all Boss Waves indicators, we've included tooltips for each of our settings to ensure that you can tailor the indicator to your exact trading style. And that's it. A super powerful evolution of RSI that creates clarity, not confusion. If you found this valuable, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll leave a link in the video description for the indicator on TradingView. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.